Go to Settings tab, Document Properties, and Groups tab. Here click on New. See, here I want to select Drilldown or Cyclic Group. Here I want to create Drilldown group, and here we need to add. We need to move fields from available fields to used fields to prepare hierarchy. Now add fields to prepare hierarchy. Here I want to prepare. I want to add year, then quarter, year, quarter, month, and click on OK. And edit and then some drill down. Group name, some name. I'm giving just for example say drill down. Then click on OK. Now I have created drill down group. Now I want to use that group in charts. How can we use that group in charts? Means while adding dimensions in general, to create any chart we need to add one dimension, one expression. Instead of adding dimensions there, we need to add this group name. See. For example, I want to create a bar chart again. Right click, new sheet object, chart, chart type, bar chart, next. Here in general, we'll add fields. If you want to calculate year-wise sales, here we'll add year. Country-wise sales means we'll add country. Customer sales means here we'll add customer. But say, if you want to use groups, here we want to select group name. To display fields as well as groups also. Here we want to select this group, drill down. Click on add. Then click on next. And I want to give expression as sum of sales. Okay, and I'll give label as sales, values on data points. Click on finish. And this was showing colors. Go to colors there. And select multicolored tick box. See, now if I click on 2011, it will display 2011 John. 2011 first quarter, second, third, fourth quarter sales. Click on quarter, fourth quarter, 10th, 11th, 12th month. Want to go back? Just click on this arrow. This way we can create drill down group and we can use that one in charts. I'll minimize this one just by understanding. Say, go to properties. I'll give here also you can give name. Here I want to give drill down. Next one is we'll say how to create cyclic group. Same process. Go to settings tab. And groups tab and click on new. Select cyclic group. Cyclic group. Here we need to add fields to prepare hierarchy. Here we don't need to follow specific order. Now I want to analyze business based on country. So I'll add country. I want to analyze based on customer. I want to analyze based on salesman, and I want to analyze based on year. Country, customer, salesman, year. Okay. Okay. Now I have created cyclic group, and using cyclic group is same process. Instead of dimensions, on the dimensions tab, instead of dimensions, we need to add groups. That may be Drilldown group or cyclic group. And I will try to create one more chart. Right click, new sheet object. Chart, bar chart, click on next. Here, I'll add cycle under dimension. Then click on next, and same. Here we need to give expression. I want to give expression as sum of sales. Okay, I'll give label as sales. Now display this one in multiple colors. Go to colors tab, enable multicolor. See, here it is not displaying all these charts properly. See, here country, it is displaying country. Another country there will be at least 150, 160 values. Want to display those many values by making use of bar chart, that is not proper. So, as I told you that all charts, all bar chart, pie chart, radar, line chart, all these charts are looks good for limited number of values. If you want to display more number of values properly, we need to go for tables. Okay. Here what we'll do is, I will limit the dimensional values. Right click, properties, go to dimension, stand, select this one. I want to display largest 10 values all. And one more change. I want to make these labels diagonally. Display labels in diagonal manner. Go to properties. Axis tab. Here we need to select under primary dimension labels. We need to select this one. Yes, sir. Now see. Now we are analyzing business based on country. This is cyclic group, and I want to analyze business based on year, and I want to analyze business based on customer. We can analyze. This way we can create Drilldown group and cyclic groups. If you want to prepare drilling for natural hierarchy, we need to create Drilldown group, and if you want to prepare drilling for unnatural hierarchy, we need to create cyclic groups. Now we have seen how to create Drilldown groups and cyclic groups. After creating those groups, how to use them in charts.